Welcome to the basic user and care guide to the Healthystep Balance Mat. Unroll the mat, spread it out on the floor and leave it a few moments to settle down. Stand with both feet on the home position to start. When doing the exercises, keep the majority of your weight on the foot in the home position. You only need to lightly touch the individual coloured zones. Hold each position for 5 seconds before moving on to the next position. When you have finished, just simply roll up the mat with the coloured side facing outwards. To clean the mat, use a damp sponge or cloth and wipe, then leave to dry naturally. Thank you for watching this guide to the balance mat, and you can find further details at healthystep.co.uk.